Thank you. Whew. What a kind person. Dude, that was kind of a cool truck. A little bit, I mean, excessive, but nevertheless cool. Getting back on the HiBoy again just feels really good. Like, compared to that Frigo thing, this thing just feels solid. Yeah, it doesn't have the speed or hill climb performance or anything like that. I mean, I'm going 19 miles an hour, but still, it just, you know, it just has this nice quality to it. But basically what it does, it replaces the whole front of the HiBoy and gives it a single spring. Again, it's not something it's not something hydraulic or anything nice like that. It's just a spring, and I've heard it's not gonna mess up, not gonna remove all the bumps in the road, but it's going to make it a better experience because, oh my gosh. Ooh. Okay, I made a mistake. I made a fatal mistake. I am going to turn back home. You know why? Because I keep getting bugs in my eyes. I'm getting bugs in my eyes. I can't freaking see. Oh my gosh.